Okay, we're going to look at a feature called Loft next. So I'm going to show you Loft. So what I want to do first of all is I want to create a sketch. So I'm going to choose this bottom plane, and on this sketch I'm going to choose a shape. Now I'm going to go for something a little bit different. So this time I think maybe I'm going to go for a polygon, and there's different sorts. I'll go for this one. Find a center point, click and pull out. So I'm going to try maybe 50. That sounds about right. Press enter. Press enter again, and I'm going to go for say stop sketch. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to now do something called an offset plane, which means I want to draw another shape, but I want it to be higher up. So in order to do that, I need to switch on what's called origin over here in the browser, so I can see these origin planes. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to go into my construct one, and I'm going to choose an offset plane. Okay, it's basically saying which one shall I choose. I'm going to choose the same one, but I'm going to pull it up, and I'm going to go to maybe 80 mil higher up. That's fine. I'll say OK. I can turn off my origin now. I don't need to be able to see it any longer, but now I've got a plane that I can draw on. So I'm going to go for sketch again. This time I'm going to choose this new one. I'm going to go from the center point again. This time I'm going to choose a shape. So maybe I'll go for polygon again, but I'll go for a different sized one. Maybe I'll rotate it so it's an off angle one. So you can see there it's on a different sort of angle to the first one. Maybe I'll make this one 30 just to make it sort of more even. But the flat sides aren't parallel to each other. I'll say enter, enter again, and then stop the sketch. So now you can see what I've got. I've got two polygons drawn at different levels on slightly different rotations. So now I'm going to go for something called Loft. So Loft is not in that one, it must be in this one. There's Loft. Choose Loft. It's saying select a profile. There's my first one. Select a second one. There's my second one, and you can see straight away what it did. If I'm happy with that, I say OK. So that's the shape it's created for me. It basically projects the bottom one to the top one.